Good morning students. In today's maths class, we will discuss ascending order. Okay, we will discuss ascending order. Ascending order, this time ascending and descending once more time. Ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. When we go for smaller number to bigger number, that is called as ascending order. And children, you know, when we are doing the forward counting, that is also ascending order. Why? Because in forward counting, the numbers are smaller number to bigger number, and I give you trick how you identify which number is small and which number is big. So let's discuss the ascending order first, then we will go for descending order. Suppose the number is 24, 3, 14, 6, then 30. We have to arrange this number in ascending order. Means we have to arrange this one in smaller number to bigger number. Now how you will identify this number is small or this number is big? See this one, 2, 4, 24, 1, 4, 14 and 3, 0, 30. All the three numbers are the two-digit number. Here you see 2, 4, 24, 1, 4, 14 and 3, 0, 30. All the three numbers are two-digit numbers. And you see here 3 and 6 is the one-digit number. So smaller number is between 6 and 3. Now how you identify 3 is bigger number or 6 is bigger number? How you will say when we say the forward counting? See this one, we write the number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. Which number will come first when we are counting from 0 forwardly? We are counting which number will come first? That is the smaller number. So when we are counting the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 will come first. That means 3 is the smallest number. 3 is the smallest number. So we will cut 3 and we will write here 3. After that, left with the 2, 4, 24, 14, 3, 0, 30. All the 3's are two-digit number. Only 6 is the one-digit number. The next number will be 6. Next number will be 6. Okay. Next number will be 6. We will cut the 6. Now you see 24, 1, 4, 14 and 30. There is a 3 numbers are there and both the 3's numbers are two-digit number. Now how you will identify this is the smaller one or this is the bigger one? Which is the smallest one? You have to see the next number, the smallest number. See what we will do. There is a two-digit number, then you go for tens and ones place. So you will see the first tens place number. Here it is 2, here it is 1 and here it is 3. To see the tens place number, you will find here 2, 1 and 3. So when we are counting the numbers forwardly, 1 will come first. 1 will come first. That means 1, 4, 14 is the next smallest number. 1, 4, 14 is the next smallest number. Okay. To leave with 2, 4, 24 and 3, 0, 30. Between this, which is the smallest one? How you will identify? You see the 2 is the smallest one or 3 is the smallest one. You see the tens place. Tens place, here it is 2, here it is 3. Now we are counting 1, 2, 3. The 2 will come first and 3 after. So 2 will the smallest one. That means 2, 4, 24 is the smallest one. After that, you write 3, 0, 30. Okay, children? Okay. Now one more question I will discuss in ascending order. Now you see, you have to arrange in ascending order. The number is 4, 3, 43, 2, 2, 22, 1, 4, 14, 3, 6, 36, 4, 2, 42. You see, all the numbers are two-digit numbers. All the numbers are two-digit number. No one is one-digit number. So you will see the tens place. You will see the tens place. 4, 2, 1, 3, 4. You see, we have to find the smallest number because ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So, we go for the smallest number 4, 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay. So, when we are discussing, when we are saying, you will say this when we are counting the forward counting 0, 1, 1 will come first. So, 1, 4, 14 is the smallest among these numbers. So, we will write 1, 4, 14. Now you see, here it is 4, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4. So see, after 1, 2 will come. 2 is the next number. So 2, 22 is the next smallest number. We are arranging in ascending order, and ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Now see here, 4, 3 and 4. When we are saying the counting, when we are counting 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the next number. So here it is 3. That means between 4, 3, 43 and 4, 2, 42. 36 is the smallest one. You write the number here. 3, 6, 36. Okay. Now after that you will find that 4, 3, 43 and 4, 2, 42. Between them, which number is the smallest one? How you identify? See the tens place number. Tens place number, here it is 4, here also 4. Here also 4, here also 4. Both the numbers are same. Both the numbers are same. Here it is also 4, here is also 4. When both the numbers are same, what we will do? We will go for ones place. Ones place. When both the tens place numbers are same, you keep in your mind this thing, when both the tens place numbers are same, we will go for ones place. You see the ones place, here it is 3 and here it is 2. So when we are saying the forward counting, 1, 2, 2 will come first. So that means 4 to 42 is the next smallest number. After that you write 43, 43. Okay. Now ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Now if we discuss the descending order means just opposite bigger number to smaller number. Bigger number to smaller number. Descending order means bigger number to smaller numbers. So what we will do, first one question we are doing, we will arrange in, I am repeating the same one. We have already done in second term. Okay, you see this 5 number, here it is 14, 23, 5, 34, 49. We will find the bigger number because descending means bigger number to smaller number. So you see 5 is the smallest number. So see, all are two-digit number. What we will do? We go for the tens place number. Tens place number 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. When we are now, you have to count from back side. Now we will count the number from back side. Which number will come first? That is the bigger number. That is the bigger number. Now we'll count from the back side. Which number will come first? That is the bigger number. So you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're counting from back side, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 will come first. So that means 4, 9, 49 is the biggest number. After that you count 4, then comes 3. That means 3, 4, 34 is the next number. After that you see the 2 will come. So 2, 3, 23 is the next number. Then 1, 4, 14 because 5 is only one digit number. So this I have arranged in descending order. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. Bigger number to smaller number. Okay children, we will discuss and we will revise in the class only. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.